Assalamualaikum and hi to Miss Anis Nur Ain. So today we're going to present about annuity and the topic that we choose. So before we start, I'm going to introduce myself and my group members who's going to present today. Hi, my name is Karunisa Atira along with Anisha, Sufia Dalia and Hizral Hazim. Next. Topic that we choose for annuity today is personal loan. Next. So what is annuity? An annuity is a contract between you and insurance company that requires the insurer to make payments to you, either immediately or in the future. You buy an annuity by making either a single payment or a series of payments. Similarly, your payout may come either as one lump sum payment or as a series of payments over time. Next. So why we use annuity? We use annuity to help manage your income, retirement. Annuities provide three things. Periodic payment for a specific amount of the time. This may be for the rest of your life or the life of your spouse or another person. The benefits. If you die before you start receiving payments, the person you name as your beneficiary receives a specific payment. Tax deferred growth. You pay no taxes on the income and investment gains from your annuity until you withdraw the money. Next, I'm going to pass to the next presenter.
So I will talk about RHB Bank. Nampak tulisan? Tak nampak tulisan? Oh, okay. The RHB Group is committed to a high level of innovation and forward thinking, which makes it a local favorite among the people of Malaysia and a preferred financial service provider across Asia. The RHB in Malaysia caters to a wide variety of customers through banking and financial services like asset management, premier banking, investment banking, loans, credit cards, and Islamic banking. Next slide. So about personal loan. A personal loan allows you to borrow money to pay for personal expenses and repay those funds over time. Personal loans can be offered by banks, credit union, or online lenders. The money you borrow must be repaid over time, typically with interest. So some lenders may also charge fees for personal loans. The RHB Easy Personal Loan really is an express loan. You can be approved immediately for borrowing between 2,000 ringgit and 150 ringgit. You can choose low repayment terms up to 7 years. So there are no processing fees and no hidden charge with RHB Bank. Next, I will pass the slide to Anisha.
So for the problem statement, first is cover unplanned emergency expense. While it is important to develop an emergency fund to meet unforeseen bills, if you're not ready yet, an emergency personal loan can help. An example emergency including job loss or reduced hours, auto repairs, medical bills, and assistance for family member. Next, students that cannot afford to pay for education. Personal loans are very useful for education, such as student loans, in order to acquire new skills and for lifelong learning and improve employment qualifications. Loans for work-life balance, including childcare, and can be used to improve mobility and work circumstances. The last one is strengthening human capital. Personal loans boost competitiveness and productivity by strengthening human capital and leading to greater job prospects. Personal loan can assist to reduce public spending on social service by increasing the social integration of marginalized and disadvantaged people and improving their life. Next, I will proceed with Hizra Hazim.
So the situation example is, let's say Arash made a personal loan at RHB Bank, 90,000 ringgit at 8.87% compounded monthly for the emergency. Arash agrees to pay the loan off by making monthly payment over 15 years period. How much should be monthly payment be in order to pay off the debts in 50 years? Next. The solution is Arash should pay 905 ringgit 89 cents monthly through the scheme he choose. As we can see the words on the right slide, so the future value of annuity is 163,060 ringgit 20 cents. The interest earned is 70,060 ringgit 20 cents. Next. For a special case, immediately after paying for 10 years, RH wanted to pay off his debts. Calculate the amount to be settled. The amount to be settled is 40,000 ringgit 772 and 70 cents. Next. In a conclusion, there are advantages by making the loans an annuity. We know how much money we will be getting them. Next, it should be easier for us because the bank will not force us to pay one larger amount at once. Lastly, why banks like to make annuity loans is that it helps them monitor the financial health of the debtor. If the debtor starts to missing payments, the bank know right away that there is a problem and they could potentially amend the loan to make it better for both parties. That's it. Thank you.